after yesterday's friendly between Black Meteors and Vision FC, both Menzo and Tinkler were impressed with what they saw in Emmanuel Sanja of Vision FC. Boss, Onye.
Okay.
Yes, we're right back. Now right back, Hono. On say if you ACL Muneba, the Obono, a friend Senko.
Lord Amoa.
Lord, and Lord never right back.
But the other guy is this Shaibu.
No, we were left back and answer because
so it's right back.
Some no more catch me.
Now the way you want you but you're right back.
We're right back.
No, the vision.
I vision.
You're right back.
Sanja vision. Oh, Omuko who no money agent who say.
Okay. Nti Abranti how can I say me?
You know Sanja no.
Yes. Democracy is here. Democracy is here. CCN neto. Because mensaka message we no. Mensaka no 8:23.
It is 1 minute.
Yes. About 8:24.
I just 1 minute penny something.
Message they say from the way you Messi kono. Emmanuel Sanja, right back of Vision FC.
Right back, yeah.
Now what you about sim which Ebesha said the free juada. Enkwa nkonkosi efiada de.
No.
Na Kotoko ni Vision ewie.
Kotoko ni ewie.
Yes. Na Kotoko ni Vision ewie.
Nti
me ba to
me story need them.
Edem nti ene videos na ebe ye ho adwuma de ama amanfo no.
Monfa
Emmanuel Sanja no so ka ho. Na eba ya ba be. Nti we de baba for edem oko. Currently on national under 23. We say no so many vision. Boy, mbo tutu.
Think na menzo su ko hebi.
Yeah.
To mo hwe na se ka bi we dey oba be solve problem no.
Yeah.
So on say think say all the players are on to solve ni senior or person about the ball. On ba to suit senior about the ball no.
Okay.
Enti also be so still o. Also still awo so o hwemu o. Also be so so. We dey on the boys about mo atibi.
Yenko yenim.
Boss
Danger.
Messi flew from Kumasi to Accra. Medicals booked. 5 years contract on the table. Now, we talk. Thank you. When I was money here. 0.7. And right now, we see you. Oh, president of Namuru.
Who Kamarat?
Kamarat, yeah.
Okay.
Or only me I pay you.
Who Alaja can be necessary.
Hey, what buy
Anya awudu suna ejina ma awudu ebony.
Aye. Alaja can be by
Baby Joe
Ishak Tete. I change original so that's what chairman I say.
Anya use the ejina we. Na bright your boy Taylor.
I saw no age man Namuru.
Sir.
Namuru for no be no.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to know. Or as official of Namuru.
Sir, to Oja Ketua.
Namuru the adwuma no say nya ye bi.
Eno me ho
bet me nya asem wo ese bi jai.
Eno me hu picture time I walk board the flight. Yes, Akwa Accra no. Na oni Alaja can be.
Yeah, and oti flight ni mutu so no. But so safa oti flight ni mutu so. E ma born.
There's Alaji still a transfer no more.
Now bet my transfer was has in what be Alaji in chain. Because Alaji no to come to Kamarat no. MD no. Onim Kamarat. Ba Alaji the oba on Kamarat trasia. Na say yeah we nkomo ya oba ya no fan de koi. O say na ni 3 December story say house officials best to me Kumasi. Number na me nim say ebo ni fo no ho no moko. In fact I no pay na wo ka kire me say ebo you Kamarat because cancer na kra nko obo ka Kamarat ebo me. O say ne papa de ne bre no kra na 11 years. Akra no nim say July ya no nya 18 years. Enti we ya kra kitikiti kra eni hey to be play no go fu yo.
Wow. The bediano no. About ayi ade we there. Wow. Francis appear UK.
My own Francis appear.
Sadi wa mama won won ho ti sameye me hwe. Na
the Francis say sponsor na se bia fa na se mo nkwe. Because me better be come ade na ka se bia na se mo. Enti no boss. Ena da so no. Messi. Walande wa Accra. Messi alande. Yes, we try wadre. Omo so woni bo pa ye ka se de papa ka asemo were a good player. Now, how supporters, you know, almost business now has from penny for you, almost so.
About you say a year and then I watch Pepe. Kotoko ne Ebony.
Yes.
Ewo alignment.
So for that.
Aha. Now Bobby ma Ebony.
So Ebony or loan from Namuru. Oh, what intimidating say intina.
Na agura wo din wo.
Oh, yes.
Game na sinanya go ketwa. But when you say how supporters be bring now so problem. Recently with players that has formed from the lower division.
Almost in crown the picture they are so no. The picture only has just crashing that who comfort their son crowded that. The picture they are so no. Boss has for say omo partners and say say on the form players and the code their age, you know.
As a players on my far.
But our plans has just never know.
So with the AI.
That's a fatano. Tell me their friend. Fatano, papa. Yes, Diablo was I feel
more for video into so na yenhwene kakra. Minyaya nka me bese me ne camera dinkomo.
Oh,
on the show. Mompe camera at mama. Na me misa the questions kakra bi. Anka o makanji mfoni wi a. Na nka mama ye ne camera at dinkomo. Because
my nyaya I'm a candy for now, Mantamua. Because of my candy. The bar may have voice. Or say, say, we are going to play. So we already say, Uber trading tears next season. Kotoko. Because Bob Bokuna so too much. And you say, we are playing, we are not in the Muslim.
Until new place.
So on the players about
the fact that you are sent to go and do negotiation with the club doesn't mean nothing about. For Abia, the scout of House of Folk scout player, no must be player, but now no more negotiation. Alaja can be a House of Folk true and true. So, obey part of the management, but the other roles that will be to play. And Obianin to Musa and now dear war pay. But others here. I did my Yama team and a team number team at 2 points what they are looking for. So the owners and the managers think say when it comes to ABR negotiating one-on-one with clubs, he's been around for a long time, or connection with a lot of teams in this country, or relationship with a lot of teams in this country. So Basa Yen Suma ABR, there's a deal in Kinfesa. Me free say Siasia Aben Kinfesa, the way to make Kinfesa for or Kinfesa for almost the Casasi. Or come back to my first or my renewal. Allergy, Akambe can do that for House of Folk. There's no problem. Nobody can take away the House of Folk away. Nobody. And he has served House of Folk from different positions.
And he said, Juma say no, yeah. Now, board number Obie say, this is how you use Allergy can be. Oh, because Ekoba say, you're the release bar, so only in charge of Pubimine. Na Yafobi. Our head management. And if you could do negotiations, said you're okay. Now, Alaja can be in charge of Pugman project and a queen negotiation. Say a more rem cacao cabi.
Alaji, and your room says, and your position Biana, your ben name will say, Yenny on a way, no way. Obu oversight responsibility. Yes, he's in charge of Pugman. That doesn't have that knowledge, no, when it comes to one-on-one negotiation with clubs.
Because I appointed director of football. I know soon the Jumani Bino has our director of football. And I advise a position as a
director of football might have designated him say, oh, I'd like to go and do this for me. And or trusting the judgment. So I think there's no problem with that. They have to go with that. At the end of the day, it's our House of Folk. And yet, and for so many years, House of Folk supporters be. I try person. Eddie Bibia, Kosha Allergy, Akambi, and one year say, or no dote, and one year say, and one year. Why is it that Togo continue to deal with them? So they should see that one. Now, Munyai say, So talking to a player, and I say, coming to pick a player. For example, Allergy Akambi na kofa Di Maria from Techiman no has. Nanya for House of Folk. He went there and he exploded. Obey best player, top player in House of Folk, and no man. So it's not obey when your problem is issue and me call house of folk
house supporters say come as person mo dey e free ban here house come dey come like that
okay
the same people
and you know on the omontia say no money money na onye na juma house of folk as I'm talking to you now unconfirmed almost sign 8 players unconfirmed report unconfirmed because as a club no e be unveiling na so hwe ages no a range between 18-23 akosro paaro no bafo and no make us say a deliberate attempt say house of folk e be call for those young players. First of all, the young players are the players who want the legs and the heart to play if given proper training and everything. 2, the iron European market say in the world of football no say agencies no bar. These are the players you are looking at for. Because most of them they believe the African ages no yet so almost settle how they are beating me. For example, Alex Bansoya Mokana Semi, he's a young boy, and then we can in fact at the alignment park, you know. Let me ask my mechanic say ready in Kotoko Kotoko any common way because he was playing against Asante Kotoko any other team Asante Kotoko we do Kotoko players defenders I expect to move premium no they are not all you know say in a match teams no any there no more here they may be more here Eddie Emma players no hard so we can one the player will be explosive and I want to believe that okra wunya sasa mananka be catch Asante Kotoko for but then you be betimi afano so I'm not going to blame them say be a house for before but then now I would have loved to see that same come here because Kotoko is in a season I say in a time omo try to replace some of the players bringing in new players and getting some players out so it was such a player na so ko huna nanka utuana mo because no mutuana mo but now has folk for no e di animu you know something that I'm saying this but not to blame them but what I'm saying is where that player now who especially who penny be some players now one more park is what another excitement apart from goals ebano who's that media me believe in player and say any football and say the lifeblood of football is goals because they're celebrating but yes I also understand and say players be so they make supporters jubilate or celebrate not necessarily scoring a goal and nothing now can Leo Messi as someone make you tum say he's that gem it is that bank so yeah can assume said the old boy is a better design answer than the manager can so better my yes the House of Folk have gotten a good player that will be good for the European market. Okay, House of Folk by from a Ntonso never Mercy no son you know 1 year now they have to sell him. These are that players now. So who players will say who invest on such players are obani who him say bibi wo san age no san from say it's about 18 years necessary obe suit that European market. So this boy come so on alignment so betimi am boss in the Premier there. House of Folk supporters not only they are going to enjoy goals but they will enjoy delightful football out for now here opposite another week is some but they need to work on him obana na obusa Kamarat say discipline so unya Kamarat player koda play be or pass through Kamarat in some set discipline koda me carry second division time me Kamarat ball match ojaso obe sharing in the game second division will go home you try to do everything to win. Imagine referees they were under the mercy of the supporters because of park in the Ginahunze but the boys stood disciplined and they beat us none of his players and upon the referee biano or challenge ye ye no the corner straight a chance manager why your team that's what they be on we can so tell okay be kai pa and the few mania could the team wow so time Black Stars bar no mo Kamarat there be a Black Stars bar another Kamarat no now and before they've seen that in his team. So the players, and the players you want to play can what in the field? Or some of the players say Joe from your normal to the field. Said not me no call. Then the more I mean, funny crazy. Who place? These are the people some of football. So quality and a player has to focus. Add to more.
Okay.
So I was talking about mobile players. Did I mean say house of supporters? No, maybe any big names, but. Information means and say these players are potentials. The players supporters will enjoy them. Abdulaziz from All Blacks on number 3 no. Mustafa Yakubu from Heart of Lions. Alex Banso from Ebony, right? Then Manuel Osejan, this guy from of Brunafo regional on a Rock Century, also a striker. I was on with my Jumano Pa Caleb Cranton and a Frimpong Joe. Then a player will do 2 jerseys here. I know United no Prince Amevo. That is the players that has to focus on unconfirmed report or more. Ayomadi Casa awaiting the club unveiling.
Somewhere last season, Kwadaso Mercy was whisked away from Kumasi. What happened, the rest is history. Sometimes not all that glitters is good. Sana born a tear, sana brabo tear.
Of course,
right.
I agree with him.
Captain
This story said the minister, no, I think will be director of the national teams. Now you do away with the management committee, no. So to me, sir, I think I will just praise him for doing that because it's just a waste of money and waste of time. The reason why I'm saying that, Mr. Bogu, time will be honest, I'm a council. So also your management committee, I just say you are managing a certain situation. So that letter about out at the time, but guess no, it was in a competition, no, it needed not to come out. That's why you manage something. That's not to say you can't come from home. But at that point in time, and I mean, I always continue to say, I will never agree with anybody because at that time was the right time. Because competition, but not say you can't. So they should have said, you try a one not going to say present team. But from majority, they can say. But if you accept, say, you try now, Koba. And so who say, yes, and for a day, a banana chadache.
In Tiano Sano, the minister so qua, now only this can a Brenna question, Unyamo, men question. That's another. No, woman, no. But what I'm saying is that we are management. ABI can. What the minister ba? Was say that your Bible 12 says canon. Minister ba, you know, scanning and Timama Mutia, Ebetua Adesica. That's why the management work in the book. You are managing Bonunko Bobby. What do you want to say? You are managing situations in a competition, competition, air course. That's why you manage it. And I'm say you real competition, not a about out. Fair, fantastic. But competition air course say and I know guys lose ya. Kadigana hey, you make sure scan guys no e bono mo e bi so no ma ho de. So to avoid san near manage them. I was that situation no. Okay, most of them come no mo ya adwene. But you have a match to play. No, it doesn't change anything. It changes something.
The management committee need not to be there.
And see, I'm Kakrabi.
And we are
Banado said sentiment. And Kawaya say,